share price is in uptrend. Just assume if it starts going downside, and if you exit immediately, definitely you will be able to make a big profit. And the opposite side, if share price is in downtrend, and when uptrend start, and if you make the position immediately, that will be the game changer for you, and you will make big profit again. Hi, I am Sanjeev Kumar. Welcome to your own channel, Invest with Sanjeev Kumar BGP. I am going to share about reversal pattern, that is double top, double bottom. Just I am sharing mind map. Yes. Actually, I have already shared 2 or 3 videos for chart pattern. And in first video, I have discussed about 3 types of chart pattern. One is reversal pattern, second is continuation patterns, and third is bilateral patterns. After then, in second video, I have discussed about reversal patterns. And in that video, I have discussed about head and shoulders. After that, I have shared inverse head and shoulder. Today, I am going to discuss about double top and double bottom. Okay. Now, this is the slide for double top, double bottom. A strong indication of trend reversal. 1 minute. Yes. First is double top. This is also called bearish reversal, and it looks like this one. Just assume share is in uptrend. Okay, here share price is moving upside, and the point 1 is the top. From here, selling pressure started and a share price going to down. From point 2, there is some support, and again buying, someone is buying the share, and from here share started moving upside. But at the point 3, approximately at point 1 level, okay, there is resistance, so share again moving down, and it created double top. First top is here and second top is here. And when share price moves below to this neckline, when you draw a line from point 2, and if the share price breach this line and go to below to this line, this is the indication of downtrend. But it is not compulsory. It can go again upside. But if share price will move down from this place, from neckline, not exactly on neckline, sometimes it will go 1%, 2%, 3% higher from this place. And if it goes down, definitely this is the strong indication of bearish reversal. It means share price is trend is changing from uptrend to downtrend. You can see in chart as well. Chart will look like this one. Okay, this one is first top, second top. This is the neckline, and this candle bridge. Just one thing I want to mention here. This candle, when this candle form, the volume of this candle will be big. Price reaches is high, drops, then tries again, but fails from here. It means signal that buyers are losing control and a downtrend is likely. I think this must be clear to all of you. Now moving to second one, and that is double bottom, just opposite to double top. That was bearish reversal, and this is bullish reversal. And here you can see share price was in downtrend. From here, some support, and buying pressure started. So share prices started moving upside. From point 2, again there is some resistance, and people started selling the share and moving down. From point 3, again moving upside, there is a support again. And from this neckline, when share price breach this neckline, this is the signal of uptrend, but this is not the confirmation point. It may go directly upside or may go down, again move from the neckline. This is the confirmation that downtrend changed or transformed to uptrend. Price drops, rebound, drops again, but does not fall lower, indicates strong support and potential uptrend. This is also called W pattern, and double top is also called M pattern. Candle or chart looked like this one. I think this must be clear. So actually, I wanted to share this thing to all of you. If you're serious and if you want to learn this thing from me, either online or offline, you can message to me on my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is in the description box. Thank you so much.